Hello friends, today I will show you how to install Minecraft mods. First you need to open your browser and go to the curseforge website like this. Now go to Minecraft and then mods. You can find a lot of different mods here. Download the one you want. Now copy the mod file. Now open Run and go to %appdata%. Now open the .minecraft folder. Open the mods folder and paste the mod file here. You are all done. Now open Minecraft and enjoy. You can add all Minecraft mods like this. Thanks for watching.